car's not going to stop. I don't know what the hell we're doing. Sorry for some minutes. Traffic stop. Oh boy. I hope they're.
Go ahead.
Hey, have a seat in your car. Have a seat in your car.
Herrin 28, I'm out with him. We're at 10th and Cypress. We'll give you 20 in a second.
Have a seat in your car. I'm not going to say it again. If you don't get back in the, both of you don't get in the car, you're going to get arrested. Get in the car. All right.
Herrin 26, all right, They're in. Therefore, Herrin into direct. Requesting immediate 105. Herrin is 10% for status. Herrin is 10% for status. Here, we've got one, that's Sam. Therefore, one, that's Sam.
You want to fight us?
No, can you loosen it up like really seriously? Loosen it up. Loosen it up, please. Loosen it up.
Just chill.
Well, I don't think this car's gonna stop. This car's not gonna stop. I don't know what the hell they're doing. I don't even. Cypress and 10th. Herrin 15 traffic stop. Oh boy. I hope they're.
Go ahead.
Hey, have a seat in your car. Have a seat in your car.
What did I do wrong?
Have a seat in your car. Have a seat in your car. I'm not going to tell you again. If you don't get back in the, both of you don't get in the car, you're going to get arrested.
I gotta fight Stephanie. My ball is hurt.
Get in the car.
No.
All right.
I gotta fight Stephanie. My ball is hurt. My ball is hurt, man.
I told you to get in the car.
Hey, I got my baby in the car right there.
Hey, I don't really care.
Good. Okay.
Relax. Give me your other hand.
Hold on, wait.
Give me your other hand.
I'm trying to bring it.
Relax.
Hey,
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna call my brother right quick.
Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased. Tyler, get over here. Get over here.
I'm sorry. Hey!
Hand gets another unit. Got the right hand. Hand gets another unit. Got the right hand. Get down!
He just had a vasectomy done!
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Your hands behind your back. Look out.
What are you doing? He just had a vasectomy done!
Dude, all you had to do is get back in the car.
He just had a fucking vasectomy done!
Y'all put him up for no reason.
He didn't even do anything! We're pulling over to the house!
You guys didn't have your damn headlights on.
Why y'all doing like that?
You didn't have your
He
headlights
just
on.
had a fucking vasectomy done! What are you doing?
I'm not scared of the noise no more.
What are you guys doing? What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Would you quit hollering?
No, he just had a fucking vasectomy
That doesn't
done!
allow him to just want to do.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with you guys?
God damn.
I'm calling.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
You want her cuffed up too?
Don't get home!
Right now.
Alright. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't try to make it seem like I'm resisting, because I'm not. I'm not resisting. My daughter is in the car.
Put your hands, keep your hands behind
My
your back.
hands are behind my back. I'm not resisting. My hands are behind my back. I'm not resisting. We just pulled up at home.
You were told multiple times to stay in the car, and you did
I'm
not.
concerned because he's been having problems with his fucking
That
balls.
doesn't allow you
He
to
just
get out of the
had a
car on a traffic
vasectomy.
stop. He ordered you several times.
He just had a vasectomy done. My daughter is in the car.
We'll take care of the child.
No, you're not. My daughter is in the car. My daughter is in the car. We're
Have a
not doing.
seat, ma'am.
We're not doing anything wrong.
Have a seat. You're being detained. Have a
We're
seat.
not doing anything wrong.
Have a
officer.
seat in the car.
Yes, but we're not doing anything
Have a
wrong.
seat
My
in the
daughter is in the car. My daughter is in the car.